Totally chill out. Room is so clean, the owner has been very patient and being polite to me. Tried to provide good care to a girl who traveled alone there. And location is good too, hiding in Kenting Street but not noisy, can get fully relax and rest there. Highly recommend. The staff was really nice and friendly. Price is acceptable and location is great, near Kenting Main Street. Spend 2 unforgettable nights in Orange Moon. Will sure come back. THX so much. Lovely little getaway. Orange Moon Inn was a lovely place to stay. Includes all the basic amenities you would expect from a hotel, and there is a cold/warm/hot water dispenser in the hallway for guests to refill their water bottles. The hotel includes a cool tube elevator to help shuttle up/down luggage, so you don't have to carry it up flights of stairs to your room. Rooms are tidy, clean, aesthetic, and soundproofed well. The owners and staff were super friendly and helpful, and even cut us some delicious complimentary fruit, local guava. One evening, we didn't get to take advantage of the inn's free homemade breakfast, so this was a nice little surprise to enjoy. The inn is a short walk away from the main road, where Kenting Night Market is each evening, and the Kenting Police Station bus stop, where you can easily catch the Kenting Express bus. Would stay here again, feels like home. This is my second time with Orange Moon Inn. I love the architecture of this B&B and its interior design. Also, the staff was being very friendly and helpful. Breakfast was awesome. Love having the breakfast they prepared after my run. Another lovely stay. This was my second time here in a year. Best little guest house in Kenting. Great stay. Good place to stay, near to Main Street. Staff was helpful. No lift, but no worry to bring heavy luggage. The hotel has the lift for luggage,